Alright, we're in Kalamazoo at the Mall District parking garage. We got some Otis elevators here. Take a look, you can see the car top. Not very well on this one, this is the reflection. You can see that, that's neat. Wait, it's a belt one, it's a Gen 2. Okay. They're Series 1. These are Series 1 Gen 2s. Yeah, these are. Yeah, look. There's the belts. There's the Gen 2 motor. This is a Series 1 Gen 2. Rare. Look, there's like a speaker hole in the screen. That's a pretty view. Here's the top. Can you see the... Nah, I can't really see it from this angle. These are Gen 2. See the counter right there. Doesn't really want to focus. Alright, down to 1. This panel's seen better days. That will be all.